No, it's filming. So this is rolled up Rice Krispies, not treats, the cereal. And what is coming out next is flour. And we have a cup here, one measuring cup. We put 1, 2 cups of flour in. Mix it around. When I edit this video, it's probably going to be more than 15 minutes. So I may have to make this into parts.
Yeah, you could do the first part, and then you can do the cooking as your second part.
Yeah, that's true. But this is not going to be epic mealtime. Which is, I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk in cooking. Ah, the Panko
Japanese breadcrumbs.
Alright. Okay, what is next on the list? The
Breadcrumbs. Doesn't
original,
matter if it's
original
Italian.
breadcrumbs.
Doesn't matter if it's Italian or just... Yeah, that works.
There's just a little bit in there, and you're like, it doesn't matter. So we got some salt here, just a little bit of a handful, or 2 handfuls, or 3. Oh no, it's just 2. And paprika. The lid.
About a teaspoon.
About that teaspoon. That'd be better.
Paprika helps give it color.
And ground black pepper.
It gives it a little kick.
Just a little kick, and I can smell it already. I can smell the black pepper. And this is
Thyme. You don't want to put too much cayenne pepper in it, though. You won't be able to eat it. So just a little sprinkle.
Now people will be wondering in the comments if they actually do leave a little bit of the comments in below. They'll probably go like, "What's the measurements?"
And just throw in what looks good.
Oh, nice answer.
About 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. That's 2 different kinds, but it's chicken seasoning.
Yep.
And
Now
sure
mix it
that's
up again.
Stirred up real well.
And trust me, if people are watching this, if you try this for yourself, you'll actually want to make this for yourself, and it's actually going to be really, really good.
Well, you can change the seasonings if there's something else you want in it.
I know. Okay, we're getting a spoon.
Okay, you want to taste it.
Yep.
So I lick my finger and put it in there. So I better wash my hand again, huh?
Yep. Number one rule in the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay, now I got the seasoning's done, correct?
The breading.
The breading. Seasoning, the breading, they're all probably the same thing.
But you want the breading to stay on your chicken.
Yes, which is the next thing, the eggs.
So you're going to make 2 dipping things. You're going to dip flour.
Yep.
So I have 2 eggs in each bowl. And 1, if I have buttermilk, that's what I'd use, but I don't have buttermilk, so I'm going to use some mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, which is, I guess, is what KFC uses?
I have no clue.
Even though there's been, like, around the internet how to make the best fried chicken tenders that you can make.
So just a scoop of mayonnaise.
Just a scoop. Just 1 scoop.
And then
A little bit of milk.
this one's going to be a thinner, so it's just milk and egg. And this one's going to be thicker, so it's going to be milk, eggs, and mayonnaise. Or eggs and buttermilk if that's what you got.
Alright.
Then I need a whisk.
Need a whisk. Yes, that was a Daffy Duck impersonation. There's actually one video when I saw when they was doing the buttermilk one. The guy was actually cutting a whole chicken in sections. I like using boneless ones because it's more easy to deal with. Oh yeah, I just saw an eggshell.
Where?
In this bowl.
This one?
Yep, nice. I think it's in there. Yep, I just saw
Where?
it.
Well, we get a spoon and dish it out.
Yep.
When you see it,
Dish it
grab
out.
it.
Nope, I just saw
What are you doing? There's an eggshell in there.
Warning! An eggshell in our mix! Okay, now.
Well, at least it'd be crunchy.
A pun from my sister. Yes.
No pictures, please.
Okay, we're looking for this eggshell.
Good luck.
Yes, a teeny tiny eggshell, which is probably the mother's probably crushed right now.
Do you see it? Yeah.
Nope. I don't know if the camera can see it because I can't see a thing. Filming with a GoPro camera is like blind.
And you know what? When we dip it, it'll come to the
Yeah.
surface.
Dun 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 dun.
Now, you're going to want to start your oil, because your oil needs to be hot when you put your chicken in.
I have a feeling I should
So-
escape.
So you want your oil to cover half the depth of your chicken.
So,
It's about an inch of oil.
you repeat that again. About an inch of oil. And the temperature right now is actually at a 9. And so, what, even though it's fried, it's supposed to be at a hot level. And note, when you're done with your ingredients, please put them back in the not microwave, the refrigerator, or just put them back where they were in the first place. All right. So, what is the next thing to do?
Make some room.
Yes, that's the #1 rule. Make some room. And I can't put them in. Put in.
Gonna cut the chicken next.
And again, wash hands. I can't put this in. All right. Okay, we're back.
Okay, while the oil's heating, then we'll cut up the chicken.
Let me actually check the time. 8 minutes and 25 seconds on this film. Okay, we have, this is the egg and milk. This is the breading. And this is the milk, eggs, and mayonnaise. And it'll go like this, which is not going to be the whole thing. It's going to be chopped up in teeny tiny pieces.
No, that would be nuggets, you said.
I'm just kidding. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This knife would be used to cut the boneless chicken.
Okay. Cut out that center membrane. You don't want that.
Yeah.
And if you have any big pieces of fat, you don't want that either. Come on.
Okay. And note, if you have like extra plastic bags, use them as your trash bags when cooking.
What about like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be good like that. You're gonna be nice and spicy. Just kidding. And shout out to Steve Martin. I don't know, how old is he now?
Oh, he's close to my age, whatever that is. No, I think he might be older than me. Maybe.
Alright. Go like that.
At this point, the length doesn't matter as much as the density, the depth of your chicken, so they all fry at an even amount of temperature. I mean, even amount of time.
Okay, checking the oil. What's the temperature feel like?
That's warm.
Warm.
Okay, so
Okay.
what you're going to do is you're going to dip your chicken in this one first,
Which is the egg and milk.
and then in the batter,
And in the
breading.
Breading. Why batter? Ah! Okay, in the breading, stir around just a little bit.
And then in
And-
the thicker one,
Into the milk, eggs, and mayonnaise.
your second egg.
Second egg. Second one. Okay. And then will be placed, when it's done dripping, into the, actually back into the, back
First
into
the breading.
the breading, and I think onto this oil.
Not quite yet.
Well, I thought it would be guessing. Let's take the timer on
here
this.
till
11 minutes and 28 seconds.
Okay, we just got a couple.
Yeah.
We can just do a few, and then you can do pictures of me more than that.
Yeah. You know, I think I might make a good title with this video.
Messy?
What?
Messy chicken?
No. How to make the best chicken with family. Or maybe that would just be the title because I just made it. And actually, no, when you're actually frying, use this tool.
Tongs.
Yes. It's very useful.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Now, if the oil is ready, you should get little bubbles around it, so we'll see. You can see how it's bubbling?
Yep. You see
And then
that?
you don't want to overload it, because then it drops the temperature of the oil really fast. So the first ones will take longer than the others to cook.
I feel the GoPro camera getting warm now.
I'm just going to do the same thing here repeatedly.
Yeah,
No, don't touch them.
I know.
They're not even close to being ready to be flipped.
I'm just keeping it in my hands.
And you should have a rack with some paper towels on it to drain them. Or a plate with some paper towels. Because you don't want to put them back on that same plate because it had raw chicken on it.
And let me put that down. Okay. Get a plate. We're actually gonna put it right here next to it.
So you gotta make sure it's not close to the fire.
And it's not. It's about like 5-6 inches away. Just kidding. Besides, I think that's pretty closer. And actually, take a roll of a paper towel with you. And gonna stop it here. I'm filming it now. I'm filming.